Down by the lake on a sunny day, tiny boats lined up to play, each with a balloon tied bright and bold, red and blue and green and gold. Ready, steady, puff, they cheer. The race begins, the crowd can hear. Whoosh and whistle, splash and spin. Who will lose and who will win?
The wind blows soft, the sails take flight. The balloons shine under morning light. They bob and bounce across the stream, a colorful, giggling, floating dream.
And when the race comes to an end, each boat's a winner, each balloon a friend. For joy's the prize they all embrace. Set the happy balloon